Hey, hi, I'm Ayush from EaseIt, and in this video we'll be talking about the second lookup function in Excel, which is Hlookup or horizontal lookup. So let's dive in.
What is the Hlookup function, or what we call horizontal lookup function? Well, it's a function that checks for a value in the topmost row of a table and then returns a value in the same column from another row that you specified. Wait, what? What did I say? Well, I said this. So for example, you're matching sales, so it will go match sales in your table with the topmost row that you gave as range, and then according to your selection or input, if I selected 2, it will return the second row of that same column. So with that definition out of the way, let's dive into the example to get a deeper understanding. So we've been given this data, name, department, manager, and this table has been provided to you, which has department, manager and area given to you in a horizontal kind of a table. So now we're going to use the function itself. For putting an is equal to sign to tell Excel that this is a function and not data. Now we have the function, we can press tab to auto complete or write the function and then put an opening braces. Our lookup value is going to be sales in this case, our department sales from this, which is D8, and then we're going to match it with this table which was given to us as a lookup table. We're going to freeze this range as we don't want it to change while dragging or copying it somewhere else. Then we have a row index number. Also, to freeze you can press F4 or input $signs in front of the reference. Then our row index number, as we want manager and our topmost row was department, we'll select 2 as our row index number. So we'll put 2, and in this case we'll use an exact match because we only want an exact match. We do not want approximate matches in this case. So we'll press exact match, press enter. So now we know that for department sales we have our manager as James. So let's either double click on the right corner of the cell or click and drag it to copy the formula down. So you can see that everyone is now matched to a manager according to his department. So we can see that sales is leaded by James, IT by Jazz, and so on, and Simrit leads South. But we see that there's an NA error over here. Well, why did it happen? We were so careful. How come it came? Well, you'll run into real life cases while using Hlookup and VLOOKUP where you'll be returned with NA errors. That's because this value was not present in your lookup table. R&D was not present in this table with which you matched through. So it returned an NA error, or it says that, hey, I'm not even present, where are you trying to match me with? So it will return a NA error. So in the next video we're going to cover about using Hlookup function with approximate match. So stay tuned.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and would like to see more from us, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and like, share and comment down below. Thank you for watching EaseIt.